I realized that I did not include two things in the video I posted earlier, so I will now address these two things in this second upload. Things I have seen my principal do. I have seen my principal approve fundraising activities. Honestly, I have not seen him do much more than that. My school district is more of a centrally managed one, so there are a lot more things I have not seen my principal do, such as things like bookkeeping or ensuring teachers' salaries. I do not believe that is a part of my school principal's job. What concerns do I have about being in charge of the school's budget? I would have to say my biggest concern is that I don't want to mess up the budget. I want to do a good job and run the school to the best of my ability. I think doing bookkeeping would also be a concern. Bookkeeping is not something I would consider to be a strength of mine. So those would be a few things that I am concerned about.